How many times have you set New Year's goals only to forget about them by February? Be honest, we've all been there. But this year, it's going to be different. Why? Because I'm about to show you how to set goals you'll actually achieve in 2025. The problem isn't that you're lazy or unmotivated, it's that you're setting your goals the wrong way. Most people aim too high, too vague, or they forget the most important ingredient, a plan. Let me break it down for you. Step 1, be specific. Don't just say, I want to get healthy. Instead say, I will go to the gym 3 times a week. Specific goals are actionable and measurable. Step 2, write it down. Seriously, get a notebook or even use your phone. Studies show that writing your goals increases your chances of achieving them by 42%. That's huge. Step 3, break it down. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Let's say you want to save $10,000 this year. Break it down into smaller monthly or even weekly goals. For example, save $200 a week. Smaller steps make big dreams manageable. Step 4, track your progress. This one's a game changer. Every week, reflect on what's working and what's not. This keeps you focused and helps you adjust along the way. And finally, step 5, celebrate the wins, big or small. Every milestone matters and keeps you motivated to keep going. Your best year starts now. 2025 is your year, but it starts with you taking action. So grab a notebook, write down one goal right now, and tell me in the comments, what's your #1 goal for 2025? Let's make it happen together.